Just got your new Garmin Instinct E? Let's get it set up. In this video, we'll walk you through pairing it with your phone step by step. Download the Garmin Connect app from the App Gallery, Google Play Store or App Store, and install it. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your phone. Turn on your Garmin Instinct E by pressing and holding the side button. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your smartphone. When the watch powers on for the first time, it will automatically enter pairing mode. Select your preferred language, then tap the checkmark on the screen to start pairing. Scan the QR code displayed on your Garmin Instinct E using your phone's camera. It will automatically open the Garmin Connect app or prompt you to download it if it's not installed. Follow the on-screen instructions within the app to complete setup and pairing. Make sure Bluetooth stays on throughout the process for a smooth connection. Once you've successfully paired your device, it will automatically sync with your watch. This allows you to access all features, including activity tracking, health stats, notifications, and more. Any changes made in the app will reflect on your watch instantly, keeping everything up to date. And that's it! Your Garmin Instinct E is now paired and ready to go. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more handy tips. Thanks for watching.